Gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video, we're going to be reviewing a new beard company. That's right, it's been about 3 to 5 months since I've done a review on a new beard company. So that being said, let's check out Fable Beard Co. Now I found Fable on Instagram looking deeper into their website. It looks like they're on the same vibe that I am, just a bunch of guys coming together, trying to create a great product for the everyday beardsman. And on their website, I was looking at their prices, their products. Not only do they have the typical oils and balms, but they have apparel as well. And looking at their prices, looking at the premium oils and your generic oils, they're right in my price range, all right, ranging from $15 to $20. They also gave me an affiliate link. So if you guys go down in the description, click that link, that'll get you right over there. Put in that promo code SB15, save yourself 15%. And let me tell you guys, when I was going over to their website, it seems like some of their products are going away fast. And that's something to think about as a company. When their products are going out fast, that means that that product is a hot item. So let's start looking into what they sent me and start seeing what their products and quality is all about. Okay, so we're gonna start with the oils. Now I don't have any product in my beard, so I thought it would be fun to just start with the oil. That way I can actually apply some, put some in my beard. That way we can get some feedback, because I really don't wanna wash my beard or put conditioner in. So we'll just open those up and give them a smell. Now the 2 bottles of oil that they gave me, one looks like the Scribe and the other the Hero. Looks like we have different characters on each one. The labeling seems really legit, not really frayed or really sloppy. Looks like we have different characters on each one, if I said that already, and looks like we have a coffee and cologne. Now, the cologne actually smells the best that I want to put in today. That kind of goes with my mood I'm going in. So I want to open up and check out the cologne. Okay, like I said earlier, I have no product in my beard. I wanted to try out their oil, and the first one I'm going to try is the Hero. Actually, we're only going to try one because I don't want to put different oils. I want to combine a cologne with a coffee. But let's get a smell. Okay, now I'm getting definitely a fresh smell, maybe like an Irish Spring, if you will. But I love the notes of it. I like it's not very heavy. It's nice and light, so I'm not really drowning in the smell. So let's go ahead and see what the oil consistency is. All right, so the dropper looks pretty solid. Let's go ahead and get ourselves a good amount. So it's definitely not thin. We got a nice thicker oil here, which I like, okay? So let's go ahead and apply it. Yeah, I'm already digging it. I'm already digging the feel of it. Oh wow, that applies really nice. Scrub that oil into your skin there now. Okay, straight off the bat, the aromas are awesome, okay? I'm definitely getting a nice cologne, like I said earlier, like an Irish Spring getting out of the shower. Now this is a really nice oil. I can feel my skin getting nice and hydrated. I can feel all my hairs getting coated with the oil. And let me just go ahead and finish it with a little bit of a brush. And I don't know, man. I don't know if I want to put up a before and after, but look at the shine. I had to give myself a good look in the mirror because my hair just feels nice and light. I feel refreshed. The smell of the oil is just very invigorating and light. I gotta say, this is probably gonna be my new beard oil for the month. I was just thinking about that. So I gotta say that Hero is not a 0. It's definitely a 10. Really do like that scent. And we got the coffee one as well. Don't really want to do a coffee and cologne smell in the beard, but all in all, I mean, the oil, the consistency, I really do like it. All right, next up, it's gonna be the balm. Now on this guy, we got the Scribe. Now we really didn't go too much into the coffee Scribe of the oil, but that's why I wanted to open up the balm. That way we can actually see and smell what it's like. All right, so let's get a good image of it. Consistency feels good. I really don't want to dig into it because I might do a giveaway on this guy. Wow. That smells really nice. You know how some coffee smells, it's like too overpowering and it's like you're smelling liquid coffee bean? But sometimes when you really smell real coffee, it smells like real coffee. This smells like real coffee. Now the consistency seems really nice. It seems very, very smooth. I don't really want to dive too much into it because like I said, I might do a giveaway. And once again, Fable doesn't disappoint on their ingredients. It looks like it's all organic again. It's got that shea butter, the beeswax, the coconut oil. So for the coffee, the Scribe, I'm digging it, man. I'm gonna give it another 10. If we're on a scoring basis. I don't know what that's all about. All right, the last two things I wanna go over is gonna be the beard wash and the co-wash. Now, straight off the bat, I'm digging the bottles. I love the labeling. It's a very nice, high quality bottle. I just hate those like fancy bottles where you have those flip tops. Just give me the little flippity opening thingy and just so I can pour it in. This is just the way to go. So we're gonna start off with the beard wash. Okay, now if you're a guy like me that washes their beard on a daily basis, beard wash is gonna be your thing. It's gonna be a little thicker and it's gonna be probably a little more suddier than your traditional shampoo that you use. So let's go ahead and get just a little bit here. Yeah, like I said, see how it's a lot more sudsy and creamy, and there we go. We got our nice coffee smell, and what's nice is through that smell, I can smell that shampoo. I can smell that cleanser for your hair. This is definitely probably something I'm gonna be using, like I said, on a daily basis. And once again, they're going all organic. One of their ingredients in here is gonna be aloe vera. Even if it's a powder, I'll take it because aloe vera, I think, is probably one of the best things you can use on your skin, let alone on your hair. So the beard wash, this is the coffee scent. Once again, we've got the Scribe. Now we're gonna move on to the co-wash. Now for you guys that likes to, wash your hair and the beard just kind of all, together, this is gonna be your deal. Obviously, they give you a bigger bottle for that because you're gonna be using this more often. So once again, let's open it up, get the consistency, and it looks like, again, we've got the Scribe coffee. Okay, so Fable did a great job by not only putting a nice, great label on there, but they gave us a breakdown showing us putting it in for 5 minutes, wait, and then wash off for a nice, clean beard. And once again, we're going nice on the ingredients. They've got that aloe vera, good for the skin, good for the beard. The smell, once again, we got that coffee smell. Smells like I'm in a coffee shop, either at Starbucks or another. Now, this is gonna be more, like I said, this is probably gonna be even more creamy, I guess, if you will, and not as sudsy. Or maybe I'm wrong, maybe it's more sudsy and less creamy. But, man, that smells really good. I forget how good the shampoo smells, right? Now, if you're a beardsman, you need to have beard wash or beard co-wash. Our beard hairs are different than the hairs on the top of our heads, and this is gonna give you more elasticity to your beard hairs because our hairs on our beard are gonna be more crinkly, dry, fray, and brittle, and this is gonna add that elasticity that it needs. And to conclude with that, these are products that we need. I mean, look again, this is the one thing that I love about beard oil. Look how much of a difference the beard oil make my beard. It's still looking nice and shiny. I still smell the cologne aroma from Fable Beard Co. They did a great job on their products. I highly recommend them. Their site, by the way, is very cool. They give you a nice discount slot for you guys. So not only if you add that promo code SB15, they got another bunch of sales on there for you guys. So make sure to go over to their website. I'll put down the link to their website. Also, I'll put down the affiliate link, all those promo codes, so that way you guys can save yourself 15%. So to Fable Beard Co., for you guys that are coming along with these episodes, I love you guys. So like always, like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. We're gonna be doing a live stream this Thursday, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. We'll be doing some giveaways from Fable Beard Co. Maybe I'll get you guys a beard balm, a beard oil, all that good stuff. All right, love you guys, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!